السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And today we will learn Surah Al-Asr. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Waw will be connected with lam, wal, and ain sound will be connected with sod, asri. But when we will stop here, we are going to make the raw sound silent. So we will just read wal asr. The S sound will be bold because it's replacing the sod, and ain sound. Okay. Wal asr. Then Hamza will be connected with noon. We do gunna. In noon will be connected with lam. Null. Innal. So there is Hamza underneath with Kasra, it will be connected with the Noon. In. In. Seen with standing Fatha, make it longer. Sana. So, Innal insana. We will do Ikhfa sound on this Noon because Seen is out of Ikhfa letters. La. Fi. Fa is having kasra, and after kasra ya is coming, we make the fa sound longer. La fi khusrin, but in case of stop, we will make the ra sound bold. Khusr. Innal insana la fi khusr. The last ayah, Hamza will be connected with lam, and lam will be connected with the next lam. Lal. Lam with fatha, la. Illalla. The first is I, then there are L sound. Il, lal, la. After zal, ya is coming, we make the zal sound longer. Zina. Illallazina. After fatha, alif is coming, we make hamza sound longer. Amanu. After dhamma, waw with madda comes. Amanu wa'ami. This lam will be connected with sod because sod is having connecting sign, so we will connect it with the previous letter which is having any sign. So lam will be connected with sod, los, and sod with vertical fatha, so, los, so, li, ha, ti. وعملوا الصالحات وتوا. After fatha, alif is coming. وتوا صو. Ba will be connected with lam. Bil. Ha will be connected with qaf. حقي. بالحق. وتوا. We make waw sound longer because of alif madda. وتوا صو. Ba will be connected with sod. Bis. Sod will be connected with ba. Sob. Ri. In case of reading kasra, the ra sound will be light. Bil sob. Bis sob. Ri. But when we stop here, then we not read kasra. Bis sobro. The ra sound will be bold because then we are reading after fatha letter. Bis sobro. The ba sound will be echo. So بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Okay, that's it for today, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.